guys, I'm here walking. Yeah, I need to exercise. We got a beautiful weather today, and there you can see the cable car that goes to the Buddha. Up ahead, you see it there. And yeah, we got beautiful weather, and today guys, I'm gonna share with you my skincare products. So join me in my unboxing skincare product. See you later. Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you what I got in this box. So unbox with me. Here you go. You see this? Okay, pouch, feed them, skip pouch, and I got this one. Oh wow, what's this? Cleanser. Got cleanser and extra firming neck. Great. Anti-wrinkle rejuvenating cream. And what else in here? Intensive wrap. This must be a mask. Beauty mask. So many goodies inside of this. Double serum. I got this one. And a big one, in a big bottle. So this one, oh, so many extra firming. This one extra firming, eye expert wrinkles and radiance. Right. So I need to open it. Wrinkle control. Wow. Okay. Never used this before. That one right there. And I also have this. Got so many goodies. I think I need to put down the camera. Got this one. Hope it's clear. Is it clear? See, extra firming. Tiny Twinny Eye Expert. Good for wrinkles. And got this one. I smudge all my nail polish. Got this one as well. Is it here? This one is the tonic bath shower concentrate. Ooh. With essential oils. It's closed. We'll open it. Ooh. I love the color. It's all like pastel color. So here you go. There. And this one is mask. Extra firming mask. So there you go. Is it clear? So I got this one. Is it clear? I got curcuma turmeric. Oh, that's all turmeric. There you go. And I got loads of goodies. Got this one, cleanser. It's cleanser, gently foaming. Normal or combination skin. I got this one as well. Extra firming for my neck. I need this one because I start seeing a wrinkle on my neck, and I need my neck to be toned. I need to tone up my neck. So it's like a rejuvenating cream from Clarins. And what else? Oh, I got another one. Look at the packaging, is beautiful. Very good. This one is fresh scrub exfoliating cream, refreshing cream scrub with natural beads. From Clarins. I like the packaging, huh? It's colorful. Love the packaging of Clarins. And also this one is V Facial Intensive Wrap. It's a mask. So here, oh cool, for facial. V Facial Intensive Wrap Defups Relieves Brighten. Never tried this before. Then I also have this one, Sulfur Restorative Total Eye Concentrate. Lips replenish and illuminates for anti-aging. That's good. Oh, this is the one I'm looking for. This is really good. I need this for my eye because I was running out. So I have this one. This is really good. I love Clarins. It's a really good brand and good quality. I cannot really see. I don't know how to hold it. See that? There. So this is the one that I unboxed. This thing. So this is really good. Well, I really like this one. Then this one I haven't tried yet, and that one never tried. This one, this is for shower. Never tried that. And this fresh scrub replenishing cream scrub. Never tried that before. So this one never. So the only one thing that I tried is this one for the eye. It's really good and I love it. And as well as also I have this one. I have this. What's this? Oh yes, I have this one. It's really good. It's just mild and perfect cologne for, you know, day to day. So after shower, just spray this one. It's really good. I love it. Yeah. So I wanna keep it in the box too. I normally store my all my perfume cologne in the box so that it won't lose smell. So treatment, fragrance, vitality, freshness, firmness. This is spray flush, rechargeable, refillable. Oh wow! Really? Spray and splash, rechargeable and refillable. Clarins. Okay. What else? This one. This is double serum treatment. I've been using this guy's really good one, and I love this one. Ah, I got two. See, I got two. They're the same. Yeah. Here, this one. So I've been using this for a while now, years now, and it's really good. And this is the best serum that I ever had. I've been using. There you go. It's really good. Good for the skin. Not too oily. Not too oily. When it dries, it's really just like normal oil. Help your skin looking youth and shiny. Beautiful and shiny. And yeah, I got 2 of this one. And as well, this night and day cream. Night and day cream. Let's open this one. Clarins. Super restorative. Okay. This is for baby. I love Clarins. This one. I love the packaging. So chic packaging. And I love the smell. So this other one is for night. Is it for night? Yeah, for night. It says Noah. What's that? Noah? I don't know how to pronounce it. This one, it says here, Dur. And this one for night. So that's pretty much. That's pretty much what's inside this box. From Clarins. Not sponsored. Gifted by my husband.